Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for September 16th through September 22nd. This week is all about grounding, getting grounded and centered as we build up to the powerful equinox, which is taking place on the 23rd. So, as we've been talking about all month, the equinox is all about balance, getting into balance with giving and receiving, getting into balance with action and surrender energy, getting into balance with everything in your life. So if you find yourself pushing too much, working too hard, not playing enough, not enjoying yourself enough, not taking that time to go within, this is the time to look at where things are out of balance. But also, in terms of moving forward with your goals and dreams, this is a crucial time to get the foundations in place so that you can soar for the rest of the year, for the following months of the year. This is a time to really check in with yourself and make sure that you're on the same page as what your heart and soul truly desire, and then to put things in place to support your desires, to support you moving forward with your goals and dreams, not from a place of fear. This is about moving forward from a solid place of, I desire this, I know I can have this, I am calling this into my life, and I'm putting the steps in place to do this. I am showing up every single day, focused, ready, determined, taking action, but also allowing the universe to support me fully in carrying the momentum forward so that you are staying focused and steadfast on your goal, on your highest vision, never settling for less, never giving up, putting one foot in front of the other and solidly carrying out a plan of action. So this is your time this week to make this plan, to draw up this outline, and to stick to it. Okay, now we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you haven't already done so, make sure you choose any combination of those numbers. You can either choose one from the picture here or just tune in to what comes to mind. If you chose number 1, the message is the power is in your hands. The power is in your hands. So even if it feels like your dream or your goal is really intangible, it doesn't feel real yet, or it feels very far away, very out there, very ethereal, very abstract, very vague, that kind of thing, the universe, the angels are reminding you that the power is in your hands to make it real, to make it tangible, to manifest it into your life through your determination, your will, your commitment, through you deciding that you are having this, and through you never giving up on this dream. And also, it's about you feeling what it feels like now to already have this manifested. So take some time this week to look at that. Where do things feel like you do not have the power to make this goal real? Or where this goal just feels really far away from you? Whatever the big goal or dream is that you're working towards right now, and journal that out, look at that, and then shift that thinking, shift that focus, shift your energy to knowing that the power is in your hands. The universe is waiting for you to step up and say, I'm claiming this, I'm having this, and I am not giving up until it shows up into my physical reality. And then it will show up, but it's about you knowing, trusting, believing that you have the power to make all of your heart's desires real. Okay, those are the messages for number 1. If you chose number 1, let me know in the comments below and let me know how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, your message is relax, relax, relax. Are you getting that? So this is where things are out of balance for you that needs shifting and bringing back into balance. And the universe means this in a couple of ways. One is literally taking some time to chill out, to get away from your work, to get away from whatever is stressing you out, and just do something fun that lights you up. Do something for yourself where you can totally get into that zone of letting go, taking all the pressure off, taking all the stress off, and just relaxing. Maybe that just means taking a nap. Maybe that means getting a massage. Maybe that means going for a walk. Maybe that means going out with some friends. Maybe that means watching a good movie or reading a good book. Whatever relaxation means to you, get into that. Get into that zone. This also means relaxing about your goal. relaxing about the outcome, relaxing about trying to figure out how it's going to show up, trying to figure out where all the money is going to come from, where you're going to get all the time, if you're good enough, if you have all the qualifications, if you have all the resources, whatever it is that you're trying to pull together for your goal, relax, relax, relax about this. The more you relax about it, the more you give that over to the universe, give your worries over to the universe and to the angels, the more expansive your energy is going to be, and the more space there's going to be for your goal to show up and for the miracles and synchronicities and the money and abundance in all forms to show up to help you to achieve this goal. That is where the magic is going to come from. Those are the messages for number 2. If you chose number 2, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. Okay, if you chose number 3, this is all about going with the flow. So what this means is no matter what happens, no matter what twists and turns start showing up, no matter if there's bumps on your path, bumps in the road, no matter what things look like in your external reality, that you are able to be flexible and go with the flow and trust that the universe knows what it's doing, and trust yourself that you have amazing wisdom and insight, that you can trust your intuition, trust that you're always being guided on your path, and that you are extremely resourceful, and that you know exactly what to do. You have all the answers within. You're never going to be shown the entire bigger picture. So it does take trust and flexibility and fluidity to achieve your goals and dreams. So there may be some surprises along the way, and that's totally okay. You know what to do. Just go with the flow. Trust your intuition. Trust yourself. If you feel stuck, go within. Ask yourself, ask your higher self, ask your soul, ask your heart, what do you desire to do next? What feels good? You can go with your feelings. That's one really powerful way to go with the flow. Trust what your feelings are telling you. What feels good to do next? And just know that as you go step by step and trust those feelings, trust what feels good, and trust that the universe is always supporting you, protecting you, and providing for you. That's how you stay in the flow of manifesting. That's how you stay in the flow of abundance. And that's how you achieve your biggest goals and dreams. Those are the messages for number 3. If you chose number 3, let me know in the comments and how the messages resonated with you. So those are all the messages for this week. Wishing you an amazing week ahead. If you haven't already downloaded your free gifts for manifesting money, go ahead and do that. The links are below. See you soon. Bye.